Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop. Today we are going to start a new project by taking all our existing projects that we're taking videos for and put them on hold because we need to do this other project first, which is called Cleanup, Storage, and Organization. Because everything's everywhere with all the other videos we're making, working on robots, working on trains, all that stuff. So here's what the train room itself looks like. Yeah, needs some work. We're going to build some shelves, make some storage. We already got some storage started, but we got so many engines and stuff. Not engines, but cars. Engines, I think we only have like 7. But yeah, we need to make some storage, make some room so we can finish making mountains and do the model kits and the roads, and there's just too much stuff. And as we get sections done, we have no room to put all that stuff that's sitting out on there. So let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, we already got some storage things here, kind of figuring out how we're going to store stuff. Got a lot of shelving right here. Was a bookcase. We moved our books to a different case. That one too. Already in here we have all our cars. Well, most of our cars that would fit in there. Little storage for electrical and little stuff like screwdrivers and drill bits. But it's a start. You still got all the stuff that you see on the desk here to figure out how to put it on there. Okay, we got it pretty cleaned up for now. A lot better than what it was. Still have a lot of organization to do. Still got to get the workbench organized and all that. We're also going to be putting some shelves on the inner walls here. I'll show you in the picture. That way we have some shelves in here. That way this room stays pretty dust free because it's got a curtain here. Block it off. And has some shelves in here for the actual engines instead of them sitting out on the shelf where they are, where they can get a little dusty. Got lots of projects. Tons of stuff to do. Stay tuned for our next video. Also, don't forget, we have started our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. We hope you will enter. We hope you will join our YouTube page to enter. Our patrons also get an extra entry. You can win 2 Tortoise slow motion switch machines for your switches. Brand new ones. Not used, not some generic thing. Also like to thank our one patron that we have, Denny Freeman. Stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming up. Thank you.